Hello students, welcome in class 12th and we are the new video of chapter number 6 cash flow statement. In last video of chapter number 6 we will discuss the how to calculate the cash flow from investing activities, and today we will discuss the next topic of investing activities. Calculation of missing figure by preparing cash fixed assets account. इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज़ के अंदर जो इनफ्लो और आउटफ्लो है वो मेनली फिक्स एसेट्स से बिलोंग करता है. सो हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट द मिसिंग फिगर ऑफ फिक्स एसेट्स अकाउंट? We can find the missing figure of fixed assets account by two methods. Number one, preparing of fixed assets account on the written down value method. And second method is preparation of fixed assets account at original cost method. There are two methods. Number one, written down value method, and second is original cost method. So first of all, we will discuss the preparation of fixed assets account on written down value method. On written down value method, we know that the written down value method is calculated by the fixed assets book value minus depreciation. And in this method, firm does not prepare balance sheet, does not contain account provision for depreciation account or accumulated depreciation. By this method, company does not prepare any provision for depreciation account or accumulated depreciation account. Originally in balance sheet, assets are shown after subtracting the depreciation. तो बैलेंस शीट में जो फिक्स एसेट्स की अमाउंट गिवन होगी वो डेप्रिसिएशन को माइनस करके आएगी. एंड हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट द प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल ऑफ एसेट्स? सेल प्राइस ऑफ एसेट्स माइनस रिटन डाउन वैल्यू मेथड. जब सेल प्राइस इज मोर देन रिटन डाउन वैल्यू देन इट इज प्रॉफिट, and loss when written down value method is more than selling price. So we can find the missing figure by preparing fixed assets account. In fixed assets account, first of all, you know that the fixed assets accounts are real account, and real account and fixed assets account has always debit balance. So first of all, we record the opening balance in debit side of debit balance to balance BD, and closing balance is written in credit side. And next we write the depreciation of current year. हम यहाँ पर ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 1 ईयर का डेप्रिशिएशन कैलकुलेट राइट करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी विल राइट द सेल प्राइस ऑफ एसेट इन द क्वेश्चन. इफ सेल प्राइस ऑफ द एसेट इज गिवन बाय बैंक अकाउंट, and after that we calculate the profit or loss with the help of written down value method. If the firm has loss, then it is written in credit side by statement of profit and loss. Loss is considered here, and if profit, it is written in debit side to statement of profit and loss on sale of asset. And after that we total the credit side. If any balance in credit, then it is called बैंक अकाउंट बैलेंसिंग फिगर, दैट इज परचेज ऑफ एसेट. अब ये जो परचेज ऑफ एसेट है, इट इज कॉल्ड आउटफ्लो ऑफ द कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी, एंड दिस सेल वैल्यू इज कंसिडर एज इनफ्लो ऑफ द इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.